Hey guys, it's a Vlogmas day number 6. Today, we're gonna be doing a whole deep clean the house with us before we start decorating for Christmas. Right now, I'm making some hot chocolate. Chocolate de la abuelita. They should sponsor us because we've been drinking it since we were young. But anyways, y'all, it's Vlogmas day number 6. And you're gonna spend a day with us cleaning. Hey guys, so I forgot to record again. I'm done doing my bed and stuff, but as of right now, why do I look like that? But as of right now, I'm cleaning my closet, organizing it a little bit. You know, we're folding all the clothes and stuff. Don't mind the mess, cause I'm just a girl. So I'm over here folding clothes. It's getting organized, as you guys could tell. Except from the top, I had to fix the dresses, but other than that, I'm organizing. But yeah, guys. But y'all, when I tell you, probably for Vlogmas day number 7, I'm gonna put that video out. But I got a little something for y'all. I know y'all haven't been watching my Vlogmas, but it's cool, you know. But you're still gonna post, even though I get 2 views or 3 views. So yeah, guys. The semester's about, I know I haven't posted like, you know, college vlogs and stuff. The semester been on my head. Like, I've been stressing, y'all. Nursing, like anatomy 1, I've been stressing. I'm right now stressing for statistics, since that's a required course, and anatomy is a required course, and chemistry, even though I have to take that in the summer again. But hear me out. Statistics right now I'm passing, nursing class I'm passing, and history class I'm passing. The only one class that I'm not so good on is anatomy. I have to come back and retake it. So that's not gonna stop me from getting my degree. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna finish cleaning this up and I'm gonna get back with y'all when the room is clean. And yeah. Hey guys, so as of right now, we're decorating outside, but I'm gonna cut some onions, tomatoes, and do the steak for dinner. So keep watching. And I have a new device for y'all. Can y'all guess what it is? That's gonna be on Vlogmas day number 7. Guys, this is the dinner steak. We're eating as a sandwich. So yeah, that we're healthy. We're sweet petite. But let me show you guys a little bit. That's Christmas. Christmas decorations there. Here we have the inflatable. We're trying it out. Then outside we have the gingerbread, the angel, and the snowman. That's a little bit of Vlogmas day number 6, y'all. So see you guys on Vlogmas day number 7. Hey guys, so as of right now, we're decorating outside, but I'm gonna cut some onions, tomatoes, and do the steak for dinner. So keep watching. And I have a new device for y'all. Can y'all guess what it is? That's gonna be on Vlogmas day number 7. Estamos en la Walmart. Vamos a ir a comprar qué? Algo. La tienda favorita. entering Walmart. Mira. So right now we're at Walmart. Huh? Vamos a ver los inflables si hay. Mira la leche evaporada, $1. And clothes and cooking stuff. But my mom is into the Christmas stuff, so we're looking for that right now. I'm more into these stuff, you know. For Christmas, I love to bake. So this is my section. This Christmas, I plan on doing gingerbread cookies and stuff, but I'm not good at it.